Here at home, layoffs and voluntary retirements could have a far-reaching effect. With so many federal workers in the area, job losses are sparking concerns about the long-term economic impact on the Rocket City. Our Ken McCoy spoke with Congressman Dale Strong about why he says the cuts were necessary.
Huntsville has long been a hub for government and military contracting, with thousands of residents working for federal divisions such as NASA, the Army, and the Missile Defense Agency. But despite local concerns, Alabama Congressman Dale Strong tells us he supports the reduction of the federal workforce.
Well, the big thing is this isn't the first time it's happened. The big thing that we've got to do is to be sure that we shore it up.
The Trump administration believes these cuts are necessary for the long-term health of the nation's economy. Strong argues that making the federal government more efficient would ultimately benefit the country as a whole, and that, he says, means benefits in Huntsville.
You look at this money going to these foreign countries that hate America, reel that money back in. The other thing that I think we've proven here at North Alabama, especially at Research Park and Redstone Arsenal, is our workforce is doing their job.
Jay Timmons, president and CEO of the National Association of Manufacturers, says these jobs are essential to the workforce, but growth starts with a focus on creating the right policies.
We have 500,000 open jobs today in manufacturing. That number is going to grow to almost 2 million within the next 8 years. And we need people to do the jobs. We're going to do training for young people and students here, but that isn't even going to get it done. Immigration reform is going to be a key component of making sure that not only manufacturers, but all sectors of the economy have the workforce they need in the future.
And Trump wants to bring more of those manufacturing jobs back to the U.S.
I think we all want to see the next dollar invested in manufacturing invested here in the United States. But the way to do that is to ensure that the cost of doing business here is better than anywhere else in the world.
And ultimately, Strong believes these cuts are good for the Rocket City and the Arsenal.
We have a very diverse economy here, which I think plays to our favor. I still believe Space Command is coming to our area. And then whenever you hear talk about Iron Dome, that right there is Alabama. So these jobs, while you may lose a couple, we will gain many at the end of the day.
In Huntsville, Ken McCoy, Fox 54 News.
Timmons says in 2018, manufacturing jobs in the U.S. saw the largest growth in 21 years, and that was directly related to reducing the cost of manufacturing.